Hello everyone, this is the second video from the chapter Sports and Nutrition, and the topic is functions of carbohydrate. As we know that carbohydrate comes under energy giving diet and it provide energy to the body. The body breaks down carbohydrate into glucose, which is used for generating energy. Dietary fiber, which is an example of complex carbohydrate, absorbs water and avoids constipation. That means it helps in proper digestion of food. It play an important role in digestion and regulation of fats. It is essential for certain non-essential amino acid. And recommendation for players. Next topic is recommendation. That means how much a player required carbohydrates in his diet. Excess carbohydrate is converted into fats by liver and stored in tissues, and as we know that excess fat in the body increases weight, so it is not recommended for excess intake for sports, especially sports requiring weight watch category. Watch category इवेंट्स मीन्स ऐसा कोई स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स जिसमें कंपटीशन हेल्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेट ऑफ द प्लेयर. फॉर एग्जांपल हम देखते हैं बॉक्सिंग, रेसलिंग, जूडो वगैरह. Lack of carbohydrate reduces the weight of a person, so it is not recommended intake of excess as well as lack of carbohydrates. But next is optimum amount of carbohydrate intake is helpful for increasing endurance and hence beneficial for long distance running, long distance cycling and long distance swimming, because these event requires regular supply of energy. Next component of diet is fat. It is also a major source of energy. As we know that fat is also comes under energy giving diet. Chemically, fats are known as lipid and anatomically refers to adipose tissues. Like carbohydrate, fats are compound of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But the only difference is that fat contains less proportion of oxygen in it, and it also requires more amount of oxygen for the process of oxidation. A balanced diet should contain 15 to 25% of fat, and 1 gram of fat yield or supply 9 kilocalorie of energy. That means it's same amount of when we compare in between carbohydrates and fats. Fat supplies more kilocalorie of energy. That means it supply 9 kilocalorie of energy from 1 gram of fat, and carbohydrate supply 4 kilocalorie of energy from the same amount of carbohydrates. But we prefer carbohydrate for the energy purpose, especially for long distance event and other sports. Now, types of fat. Saturated fats. Saturated fats are those fats which remain solid at room temperature. For example, ghee, butter, coconut oil, cheese, etc. And the second type is unsaturated fat. Unsaturated fats are those fat which remain liquid at normal room temperature. For example, mustard oil, olive oil, walnut oil, etc. Now, functions of fat. Fat is rich source of energy. By supplying energy, fats spare protein being used for energy. Fat plays an important role in transportation and absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. Fats play an important role in formation of certain steroid hormones. Fat act as insulator for nerve fibers and body against heat loss. Fat helps in protecting hair and maintaining skin. Fats serve as shock absorbing cushion to various delicate organs like eyeball, kidney, and many more organs like this. Fat also taste to the food. Fatty acid provide raw material which helps in controlling blood pressure and blood clotting. Now, recommendation for players. Research study show that extra fat doesn't have any significant effect on performance of players. As we know that fat supply yeah, more amount of energy, that is 1 gram of fat supplies 9 kilocalorie of energy. That it doesn't mean that we should intake extra amount of fat in our diet, and it is not going to help in anymore. Rather, extra weight increases due to fat deposition, and performance of gymnasts, sprinters, jumpers are affected. But some extra amount of fat required for long distance event like long distance running, cycling, etc. Because whenever carbohydrates of body finishes, fat oxidized to give energy. Thank you.